Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Acura MDX key fob. First, let's prepare. Gather every key fob you wish to program, including any existing ones. It is crucial to ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Also, have your car's ignition key ready, as you will need it for several steps throughout this simple process. Taking these initial steps will help ensure a smooth and successful programming experience for all your key fobs. Now, let's enter the programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Immediately, within 4 seconds, press the lock button on your first key fob. Then, turn the ignition back to the OFF position, again within 4 seconds. You will repeat this entire sequence of turning the key on, pressing lock, and turning OFF 3 more times. This specific 4-cycle process prepares your vehicle to accept new key fob signals. Once you have completed the 4 cycles, press the lock button on the first key fob 1 more time. You should hear the door lock cycle, which confirms your vehicle is now in programming mode. For any additional key fobs you want to program, simply press the lock button on each one within 10 seconds of the previous fob. The door locks will cycle after each successful programming, indicating that the fob has been accepted by your vehicle's system. To finalize the process and exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position. Then, remove the key completely from the ignition. It is now time to test all of your newly programmed key fobs. Take each fob and try every button, including lock, unlock, and trunk release, to ensure they are all working correctly. Congratulations! You have successfully programmed your Acura MDX key fobs, giving you convenient access to your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.